Hi, and welcome to another video by Jim the Car Guy. Today we're going to change the air filter on a 2003 Toyota Highlander. You'll see that there's a couple of clips down inside here that just need to be popped off. You just pop it off like this, and you'll see another one down over in here. You just pop that off. This we'll need to unplug because we're going to have to pull the cover up to get the filter out. So you just push this pin, this lock tab, push it in, and you rock it back and forth and pull it off. Same thing on this one here. You just push that pin in, you just rock it back and forth. It pulls right off. And then we just lift this up, and I'll put these down and I'll show you. Take the old filter out. Put the new filter in. Real quick. Make sure that when you put the filter back in, you make sure that the filter itself is in place, and you slide the cover back in, lock it into these tabs, and then you just push it down and you snap this clip up. Same thing over here, you just snap up that clip into place right there. Then you reattach your two plugs that you took off, like this. Snaps in place, and you'll hear it snap in place again. That's it. Word of advice, this has happened numerous times, I've seen it already. When you take off the air filter housing, make sure your vacuum lines stay attached, because if one of these vacuum lines come off, you're going to have the check engine light come on. Alright, fairly simple. Good luck, and I'll see you on the next one.